In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Hi, hope all are doing good. Welcome to today's topic, which is about how to use unless or until in a sentence. Do watch the complete video as it will definitely help you to improve your spoken or written expression. So let's get started. Unless or until means if not. Both refer to negative condition. These are subordinating conjunction. First discuss what is a conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to connect or combine clauses or sentences. Now come to subordinating conjunctions. What is a subordinating conjunction? A conjunction that introduces a subordinating or dependent clause to an independent clause is known as subordinating conjunction. I have discussed about subordinate clause in previous lessons. If you have not watched, you can, as I have shared the link in description. I told that subordinate clause cannot stand alone. It requires a main clause to convey complete meaning. For example, if I say, unless you work hard, are we getting complete idea? No. So it requires a main clause to convey complete meaning. Unless you work hard, you will not achieve your goals. One thing more. Do remember, always place a comma to separate subordinate clause from main clause. Now the question is, what's the difference between unless or until? Unless points to the condition not being met. In easy words, we can say it points to the condition with reference to the state of action. For example, if I say, you will not become a civil officer unless you pass CSS exams. It refers to the state of action that you will not become a civil officer unless you pass CSS exam. Now come to the until. Until refers to the condition with reference to timeline, or it refers to the condition with reference to point of action. Let's take an example. If I say I am not going to travel until I learn English, so it refers to the point of action that I am not going to travel until I learn English. Now come to the examples. First we discussed the sentences using unless. Unless he works hard, he will not pass the exam. He will not forgive you, unless you admit your fault. I shall not let you go unless you finish your homework. You cannot open the door, unless you have the key. Sam will not go abroad, unless he gets visa. Now come to the examples, sentences using until. You shall remain here, until he comes. Until the rain stops, you cannot go to the market. I am not going to sleep until I finish the movie. Wait here until the doctor calls you. She cannot leave the house until her mother calls. You have observed that unless refers to the condition with reference to state of action and until refers to the condition with reference to point of action. Thank you so much. If you have any query, do comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel.